What's happening? Yeah. Yeah, you silly. Silly doggy. Silly doggy. Chase. This is what happens when you got bad horses. Bad horses. Huh, Spanky? You have to halfway close the garage door because if you don't, they end up in the garage eating all the sweet feed. Hey, Karate. Hey, baby. What are you doing, huh? Where you going? Where you going, Spotty? Must be her baby over there. Big old babies. Big old beautiful babies. Okay, look at this. This is Kubota Tractor Company, specifically Western Implement. This is how they install stuff. And look, there's another piece right there. I guarantee you that's taped up. But anyway, the remote does not work for the front. Only one side of it does. So I'm tracing down what's going on here and really not liking what I see here. I mean, if that's the kind of workmanship they do, I'd be real careful about letting them put anything on your tractor. Don't smell it. You want to smell it? No, don't bite it. I'm out here doing a little bit of work today, and it looks like I'm going to be trading this old forklift. It's a Hyster 50 for a commercial wood chipper. The main reason why I want to do it is because we're about to grub, and you can kind of see all these trees up here, like all the way back. They're all junipers, and they're really bad for cattle country. They take up all the water. They cover all the land, and nothing will grow under them. The other thing I'm working on, which I've already pulled this off, I complained about it already in the video, but I found out that the buttons on this that run the front remote, which is what operates the grapple, well, one of the buttons isn't working. So I've got to pull it apart, which I'm not exactly sure. You can kind of see that circle right there. I'm thinking that circle is maybe a screw under there. I've got to figure that out and get this apart so I can, this top, I think it's the top button. Anyway, one of the buttons isn't working. That should fix it. But in the meantime, I've got another battery that I put in here, borrowed it from Ryan, and I'm trying to charge it. It still doesn't want to start, and it's basically this connection right there. Not the battery itself, not the connection on the battery, because that's fairly new, but it's this. I've already loosened this up, but that's just gotten really rusted, so I got to clean that and see if we can't get this thing started. Got good contact now. Didn't want to start or even try to start earlier because of that. Yeah, still try to start. So now it's just a matter of letting her warm up here. Let the glow plugs warm up. I think I'll try it first without any starting fluid. Yeah, probably need starting fluid. She starts and runs and starts the rest of the day, so it's definitely a glow plug issue. There we go. I'll warm it up. You won't have to listen to it. We got her going now. So that's one reason why I don't like having this thing out here. It's the dirt's too soft. Like we have a whole bunch of sand in our soil, so it's too soft. And if it sits here very long, it just sinks. Like where it was sitting before, it was almost on its belly because the dirt's so soft. It's semi off-road, but not quite enough for my property. I bought it back whenever I was living, where we didn't have that sort of problem. I'm kind of happy to pass it on to somebody else. They can fix it up. And I've got a front end of one of these that I'm going to turn into an attachment for my tractor anyway, because the main reason why I like this is because of the height, and it's coming off of that forklift up there that I'm gonna actually try to move it with this today. I need to put this somewhere. This is not a good spot for this. Okay, I still need to get this big old motor out of here, and the hydraulic system needs to come out. Got the electric motor and the pump at the bottom. There we go. There's the pump. Electric motor's been pulled. It's got like a power steering motor still in it. But I want to see, I don't know, that thing is so heavy, I don't know if this will pick that up. No, that's not going to happen. She is too heavy for this little guy. So we'll just go over here and park her by the garage. And wait for that guy to come pick it up. Hey, turkey. Hey, turkey. No, don't bite stuff. Don't bite stuff. You sure are kind of mouthy. Alright, I got that thing out of there. I knew it had to be something. I can't remember which one don't work. Oh, I need to put some clampers on this. Make life a little easier.
I'm just surprised that this stuff doesn't slide around.
Okay, there's that and this. Okay, that one works. Nothing. Nothing. Let's take this off. Green, yellow. Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. This thing was smashed big time right here.
Are you gonna do all of those by hand?
So I'm betting that obviously that wire broke right there.
This one lady just bought some Dr. Martin's.
Alright, that's better.
He uses a dip.
So the yellow wire's broke too, because it's testing fine right here when I push it, but when I push it here, nothing. So I'm going to fix that and put it back on and we'll be good to go. Just as I suspected, they're broken in the same spot where they were smashed. Smashed by the professional installer. I'm just gonna heat shrink them. Test it. That should fix it. Go back and install it now. The factory. the factory is happening. All the good stuff's made here. Alrighty then. Get up in here. Oh man, I gotta set this thing somewhere. So this slides down. Just like that. And voila. Whoa, scary. Scary. Go ahead and put some screws in this. I didn't run this through here because I don't think it's designed to run through there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this, and then I'm going to see there's a plate that goes on there that will hold that in place, but I'm going to put something on there to keep it from smashing it, because that's what happened. It smashed it so much that it broke the wires. Let's test it out. There it goes. One thing I don't like is it's backwards on this tractor.